This ISM browser tip is brought to you by Reckon Security. You already know how convenient ISM Browser is as an interface to view ISM controls. What you may not know is that you can browse directly to a specific control just by navigating directly to the URL. For instance, if we want to look at ISM 0123, you simply add that to the URL and we go directly to that control with all the context of the ISM ready to view. Internally, we use this capability with the Excel hyperlink function in our Cloud Controls Matrix, or SSP Annex, to link directly to every specific ISM control that we are working with. This is an extremely useful capability. I'm going to put a formula into this Excel spreadsheet in a new column so you can see a working example. And now you can click any control in this list and be delivered to the relevant part of the ISM so that you can see the control in context. If you select a control that has peer controls in the ISM, you can easily see the entire ISM topic for that control.